Hey Collectivers, this is the Punisher. Check out all the comics Jeff picked up this week, or I'll shoot you. Like I did to this guy. That 166. I don't know if you can see these that well, but guess I'll find out. It's Crisis number 1. Oop, there's another Hulk. Let's keep those together, I guess. Man-Thing. ASM 140. Always a good book. Kazar number 1. There's Astonishing Tales. It's got a little bit of a mess on it, but some more Iron Mans. It's a cool cover. I've never been much of an Iron Man collector, but they're actually good books to collect because they're not that expensive yet. You can get a lot of good older Iron Mans for a decent price. Oop, here's some older Thors. 20 centers. These 20 centers are always odd because they're kind of in between ages. You know, some people call this Silver Age, some people call it gold. I don't know, because they're an odd size for a book, but they're all mixed up. But I think there's kind of a run here. These are all in decent shape. There's Mephisto. And these stickers are on the plastic. They're not on the book themselves, so that's a good thing. Haunted Halloween issue. Ulick, King of the Trolls. Doctor Strange annual. Let's see what else is here. Invaders number 6. This one, I don't know if you can see it, but it's not in great condition. Decent book though. Same with this one. It's an older Jungle Adventures book. Well, this is Rayman's book. Not anymore. FF207. Star Wars number 7. I always seem to get this book. This is always the one that I seem to pick up. I actually had this as a kid too. A few more Iron Mans. I don't know if that 35 cents a variant or if it's the regular price. I'll have to check it. 85. A lot of early Iron Mans, pre number 100s. Green Goliath, the Hulk. This guy's kind of neat looking. I don't know if you can see it. A lot of light in here today, so. Does that help? I'm not a pro cameraman. Mordred. I actually have two of these, so one of them can go to my friend. Iron Man 106, 105, Knight Rider number 6. That's a pre-Ghost Rider book. Oh, there's Ghost Rider. I love these 70s Ghost Riders. That's what I grew up on. Human Torch number 2. And Creatures on the Loose featuring Man-Wolf. So here's some of the books that we're pulling out. Popo number 4. This is a great cover. Dinky Duck Spooky Stories number 16. Another Popo. That's an interesting book. I had no idea that this was worth that much, but very cool book. Here we go. Avengers number 10. Awesome book. Nice condition. It's a nice old Archie book. Number 111. I don't know if you can see it that well, but there we go. Daredevil number 10. It's got a couple chips, but all in all, it's a decent book. Master of the Universe. It was almost a full run of these. And there's number 12. Mutt and Jeph. It's a nice 10 center. Number 73. Teen Titans. This one is with Hawk and Dove. Number 21. Nice condition book. Not perfect, but nice condition. And this is a rare Classics Illustrated that's actually worth something. It's a World War II edition. So this is 4 Color Comics, number 1104. It's in nice condition. I like Deputy Dog. I don't know if you can see that. It's another 4 color. Alright, so here's some Nick Fury Shield books. It's number 9. Number 8. Number 10. Also, you get the rest of the Masters books. These are a score. They're hard to get. I mean, I come across them every once in a while, but they're just not everywhere. That's a crazy cover. So here's a Whitman. I love my Whitman variants. Really nice condition, but this is it's a newer book. It's a 35-cent book. There's another Whitman, Flash Gordon, also in nice condition. And another Whitman, Moby Duck. Look at that guy. He reminds me of the guy in The Simpsons. Groundskeeper Willie. A lot of Gold Key, Walt Disney comics and stories. There's a Tom and Jerry. Walt Disney's. Here's a cool one. Roy Rogers, number 47. This one's a little beat up, but as you can see, it was already priced 12 bucks. This one I think is really cool. This one was priced 30 bucks. I love Master of Kung Fu. And they're really usually cheaply priced too. Tarzan number 1. Then we already looked at those masters. This was a neat book. It's a little beat up, but definitely a cool book. Godzilla, Where Monsters Dwell. More Tarzans. I'm not that interested in Tarzans. It's a Whitman variant, but it's a little beat up. Some Joes. Fight Marines. Romance books are always cool. There's someone else I have to teach. There's a Plastic Man. Number 7. A little beat up. I like Chili's, but this one's beat to death. It's number 3. Normally this is a $40 book, but Flying Nun, Sally Field. That's a beat up Looney Tunes. Crypt of Shadows. Deputy Dog's dope. It. House of Secrets is pretty beat up. Same with this one. Bunny. Another Chili. Again, this Chili's pretty beat, but another It. It's number 21. Some more books. Some Archie's. Walt Disney's. Scamp. Magnus Robot Fighter. I think there's a couple of them in there. Losers Inc. Let's see what's in here. Lassie. Let's see. Homage cover. Beagle Boys. Roy Rogers. 10-cent Roy Rogers. Little Beagle. This looks like a reprint of some kind. I don't know what that is. I like these Dark Shadows books. Gorgo. Sergeant Fury. An old Lassie book. It's a little beat up. Sergeant Rock. Donald Duck. Comics, more Archies. Oh. Sergeant Rock 200, our Army at War. There's a Ghost Rider. Spider-Man. more Avengers books. Egghead. Casper, more Avengers. I always like this issue. Yeah, I was going to say that's close to 200. Some Charlton's. This Thor. Three Stooges. It's a little beat up. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to have to check that, but it's pretty neat. Garages. Small Buck Rogers. Charlton's. Hot Stuff. I like Hot Stuff. Here's the hottest thing on skis. That thing's beat to death. Charlton's. Charlton's. Little Archies. Those are always hard to find. Romance, Charlton romances. Some Action Comics. DC Presents, Team Ups. Those are reprints. Rawhide Kid, that one's a little beat up. 78. More reprints. Kazar number 8. And some more gold keys, it looks like. The Monsters Joel. Sea Fiend. What was that? 37. Tarzan's. There's another robot fighter. Monsters Dwell. These are a little beat up, but these are killer books. I love these. Dell's, Casper, Transformers, it's a little beat up. Commandy, another beat up Transformers and Commandy and Joe. Grog's here. I love Mod Wheels. You know, I don't see those that much. More Charltons. Little Dot. Don't tell him about me. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know how that got in there. I don't know how that got in there either. There's some more Avengers. And looks like some X-Men from the 80s. Korak, Archie. Some hot stuff. I like hot stuff. Dell's. Stooges. Interesting. It's beat up number 1, but Super Friends or Whitman Super Friends. This person had stickers on here. Couldn't imagine paying $5 for this thing. Thing's beat to death. Korak. These ones are nice though. 10-cent Walt Disney books. That's a nice book. Price on these are probably close to being right. It's 4-color comics, I think. Baby Huey. Tubby. What up, Tubbs? Runner. There's another It. I don't know if that's really a $20 book, but we'll figure it out. Oh, it's got Fin Fang Foom in it. Dell's. Richie Rich. Tarzan's. Whatever on the Tarzan's. Sergeant Rock. Gene Autry. It's a nice book. Just chilling, eating some watermelon. Romance. Adventures into the Unknown. These are always good when they're in nice shape. I don't know what number that is yet. Sea Devils, that one's a little beat up. Usually Sea Devils are pretty good too. And Star Spangled War Stories. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Please subscribe to this page. Let me know what you thought about the content. And like my Facebook page, Silver Whistle Collectibles. Thank you.